Chap roll is a popular street food from India. It is a delicious and satisfying meal. Soft and flavorful chap is wrapped in a flaky paratha. It's then topped with tangy chutneys and crunchy onions. This delightful dish is a must-try for food lovers everywhere. The combination of textures and flavors is simply irresistible. Let's learn how to make this street food favorite in your own kitchen. Before we begin our culinary journey, let's gather the necessary ingredients. You'll need fresh ingredients for the best chap roll. For the chap, soya chap, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, spices like turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and coriander powder, and oil. For the paratha, wheat flour, oil and salt. For the filling, onions, tomatoes, green chutney, and tamarind chutney. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of making chap roll. Step 1. Marinate the chap in a mixture of yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and spices. Allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Step 2. Prepare the parathas by combining wheat flour, oil, and salt. Knead into a smooth dough and roll into thin circles. Cook the parathas on a hot griddle until they puff up and turn golden brown. Step 3. Heat oil in a pan and cook the marinated chap until golden brown and tender. Step 4. To assemble the roll, place a paratha on a flat surface. Add the cooked chap, sliced onions, tomatoes, and a generous drizzle of green and tamarind chutney. Step 5. Roll the paratha tightly, tucking in the sides to enclose the filling. Serve hot and enjoy. Here are some helpful tips to ensure your chap roll turns out flavorful and satisfying. Marinate the chap for longer for enhanced flavor. Use fresh homemade chutneys for the best taste. Don't overcook the chap, as it may become dry. Warm the parathas slightly before rolling to prevent them from breaking. By following these tips, you can create a delicious and authentic chap roll experience at home.